You're on YouTube. Yeah. Basically, it's like a yearly event here in Canada where they have these extreme sports, skateboarding, bicycling, rollerblading, wall climbing, all this kind of stuff. And people from all the cities in my province of Ontario, they come and they partake in it. Anybody can join. North American countries, especially Canada and the States, really have this culture of extreme sports. And I'm really excited because it's the first time I'm filming it. All for you guys.
Nicely in here, so 5.
Free iced tea, guys. I'm gonna try some free iced tea. I'm gonna get these. Thanks, buddy. Take care. Free stuff always tastes better. Yeah, let's check out some of the stalls here. I don't think they have food, but they do have drinks, t-shirts, skateboards, memorabilia, all kinds of merchandise. Let's check it out. Look at the amount of people here watching. Alright guys, let's check out some of the merchandise here. They're selling skateboards. Look at these cool, interesting skateboards. Wow, that's awesome. Are these handmade, bro? Are these handmade?
Handmade?
Like, no? Like painted on with... Oh, okay. How much are they going for? $50. Awesome. Look at these guys. $50? Look how cool sculpted they are. They're so amazing. There's all these stalls here selling everything related to extreme sports and skateboarding and bicycling and whatever you want to name it. Like, look at this one here. They're selling pretty... How's it going, man? You're on YouTube. Yeah, you got more customers coming in. That's awesome. Look at that. They got cool stuff. And then we got other stuff here as well. These are skateboard boards without the wheels. And then you can customize your own stuff on them. Pretty awesome. Let's check out this one here. Look at that. Oh, I really like this shirt. This hoodie. Look how cute that is. Got a teddy bear on it. To be honest, guys, can you see me wearing something like this? Cute teddy? Comment below. If 10 people comment yes, I'll buy this. Look at this, guys. We got wooden bracelets here going on. Hi, how are you? Good, good. We're filming for YouTube today. We're filming for YouTube right now. You got pretty cool stuff. Yeah, I hope you get a lot of customers, man. Thank you. Good stuff. Let me come back and I'll buy something. I love bracelets, as you can see. I got all kinds of bracelets. I'll come for sure. Take care, buddy. Will do. Will do. Alright, looks like I have to buy a bracelet now because I've committed to the guy. Well, I love bracelets anyway, so it's only $15. Why not? Why not? These kids are really angry at this dummy. They just want to go at him. For all the angry wives, if you are angry at your husband, buy one of these and your marriage will last forever because you will release your stress every day. Check this out, guys. It's some kind of drink company and they sell drinks with no alcohol, which is perfect for me because I do not drink alcohol at all. Wow. It's pretty cool. Let's check it out, guys. Look at the stairs. Hey, how's it going? These are all non-alcoholic, right? Energy drinks?
Yeah, we have energy drinks, so these ones are kind of light.
Oh.
These are like the heavy ones, so these ones are 140 milligrams of caffeine.
Okay.
And these ones are 80.
Made in Canada?
Made in Canada.
Nice.
Hamilton, we have the brewery.
Yeah, I'm filming for YouTube. I want a lot of people to come and buy this from
thank
you.
you. I appreciate that.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Pretty cool setup.
Thank you.
Take care. There you go, guys. If you're around the area, you have to go and buy from here. We're making a lot of connections today. Wow. Basically, guys, this Jackalope basically is a Canadian brand, and they hold events all across Canada and the US, Miami Beach and Palm Beach and whatnot. And I think you have to enter in order to participate. You have to do an entry. You have to be at a certain skill set. You have to be good enough to be able to join Jackalope. This is funny. Some people hovering. Hey guys, I'm back home and gonna watch all the stuff from here. Still a lot of people, a lot of hype, a lot of good stuff going on. But I'm a bit lazy, so I'm gonna watch it from here. There's some kind of music playing on, like I think there's a band there, right over there, you see? I think there's a band and there's people around it. Some kind of live jam going on. Oh man, I wish I was down there now. Damn it, just my luck. Anyway guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe and like and comment. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, hasta la vista.